I think we're missing a belt, but let's take a look. All right, so now we're doing the belt. I want to show you that with this GE belt tensioner, you could push down and you hold it in place and it stays on its own. It gives you the ability to now make sure your belt is not twisted. And once everything is nice and smooth, you want to make sure the black portion of the belt, the rib portion, the rubber portion goes onto the motor and also onto the drum itself. All right. And always do a check, make sure everything is nice and smooth. And then you can release the tensioner, and that's it. Now, after this, you're going to be seeing the front of the GE. They have these gliders and also felt. And double check the top as well. Meant to mention that. Make sure it's nice and flat. Now, that's your gliders, and those are your felt. If you look at yours, they're going to be all eaten up or worn down. So what you want to do, remove and flip. Once you do that, you're now giving the dryer drum a new surface to ride on. That's going to extend your gliders and keep your dryer running smoother and quieter a lot longer. So make sure you do a good clean on your dryer as well. Each time you open it up, get it cleaned out so that you don't have any lint built up or fire potential. All right, enjoy the rest of the video. So I totally forgot to clean this area. As you can see, the lint housing, your blower housing, actually covers that, and you have to get all that stuff. So make sure you reach in there, pull it out, and then what you want to do, get a small brush and reach up in there and scrub it out so that you get all the lint out of it. All right, it does make a difference.